As the 11th point of the Scout Law says, a Scout is clean. Scouts pride themselves on maintaining a neat and polished appearance. To encourage the cleanliness of Scouts, the BSA has sponsored many items centered around grooming and personal upkeep. Learn about the history of keeping Scouts clean in this week's installment of Artifact of the Week. In the early 20th century, Charles Doppel, a Chicago leather craftsman, invented what he called the toilet bag. Through creation held everything a gentleman needed to look his best. The bag had numerous compartments, pockets, and sections to organize razors, creams, soaps, and many other hygiene products. Because of unclean associations with the phrase toilet bag, the bag became known as the Dopp kit after its inventor. During the Second World War, the United States military contracted Charles Doppel's company and provided Dopp bags for its soldiers. When the war ended, men continued to use the bags at home and they boomed in popularity. Suddenly, everyone in the United States had a Dopp bag. It was during this toiletry bag craze that the BSA released its first toilet kit. The kit contained a hairbrush, toothbrush, mirror, washcloth, and a soap holder. The kit we have here at the National Scouting Museum from the 1940s has a bar of soap that's never been unwrapped. Made of green twill, the kit wraps around itself to take up minimal space and can hang from a tree branch or tent pole during campouts. BSA toilet kits, or grooming kits as they were later known, changed in material and contents throughout the 20th century, but their purpose never deviated. In fact, during this time, the BSA also released dozens of individual personal hygiene items. In the 1960s, the BSA produced nail clippers, combs, toothbrushes, and soap holders, all with the tenderfoot emblem embossed. Even Cub Scouts had hygiene items. Cubs could purchase a knife that was actually a hairbrush and comb. This invention showed that Scouts valued maintaining a neat appearance over even outdoor and survival skills. Similarly, many pocket knives endorsed by the BSA have fingernail cleaners and files included to emphasize the same message that keeping clean is just as important as other scouting values. Over the years, the BSA has prided its Scouts on looking put together. From specific uniform requirements to the numerous hygiene items we've discussed this week, one can always count on Scouts to look their best. And you can always count on the National Scouting Museum to provide you with the historical context of our collection right here on Artifact of the Week.